This video I will tell you that how to fix Instagram filters are not available in your region. So we will go to the home page here and we will tap on the your story option here. Okay. Okay, just swipe to the right and now let's say here basically that you actually want to add a specific filter in your Instagram story here, but you can't find that specific filter here. So you keep scrolling to the right until you find this search option. Tap on this search option and then tap here search option, and let's say that you search the whole effects here and you still can't find your Instagram filter here, like effect here that you want to use. Then maybe that specific filter or effect is currently not available in your country here, or maybe you don't have the latest version of Instagram. So the first fix is to go to the Play Store or App Store and try to update your app and check whether it is available or not. And if still this doesn't help, you can use a VPN. Okay, just use the VPN and change your location and then try, and then that specific filter or effect will be available in your region. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.